and institute an Islamic republic. And while every revolution has an event that is etched into the country and burned into world history, every revolution has a backstory, one that begins somewhere and with someone. So what is the story of the American Revolution, and how did it influence our Constitution? The date was February 24th, 1761. The location was the Boston Old State House, where the Superior Court of Massachusetts had convened, not to hear a criminal case, but a civil case, to challenge the constitutionality of the writs of assistance, which are documents of a general service issued by a superior provincial court to assist the British government in enforcing trade and navigation laws. Now, while it is a government's duty to enforce the law, the writs of assistance were just a ticket to tyranny. They gave a sheriff, justice of the peace, or a constable the authority to search any house for smuggled goods without specifying either the house or the goods. And 63 Boston merchants who opposed the writs of assistance enlisted the help of fiery attorney James Otis Jr., who would, with these words, engrave his name into American history as an ardent patriot. May it please your honors, I was desired by one of the court to look into the books and consider the question now before them concerning the writs of assistance. I have accordingly done so, and now appear not only in obedience to your order, but likewise to the inhabitants of this town, who have submitted another petition. And in regard to the liberty of this subject, I take this opportunity to declare that whether under a fee or not, for in such a cause as this, I would despise the fee. I will, to my dying day, oppose with all the powers and faculties God has given me, all such instruments of slavery on the one hand and villainy on the other, as this writs of assistance is. And while the court ruled against Otis, his challenge to the writs of assistance would leave an impression on future U.S. President John Adams, who was present in the courtroom when Otis spoke, and viewed these events as the spark which originated the American Revolution. The most famous case involving the writs of assistance was Entick versus Carrington, which was tried in 1765, and involved a man whose property was utterly destroyed during the search of materials that was critical to the king and his policies. This ruling by the court would win the victory Otis started, for the court essentially declared that the government was not allowed to do anything that was not specified by law. During the Constitutional Convention and the state conventions, the anti-federalists were concerned about the power of the federal government, and that since the rights of the people were not specific, the government could take them away. So on June 8, 1789, James Madison proposed 20 amendments in the first Congress, and 10 of these were ratified by the states, one of which was the Fourth Amendment, which states that the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated. Neither shall any search warrant be issued but upon probable cause supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. Thank you.